It's a greenhouse gas that's over 80 times more potent than CO2 in the short term, meaning it's hitting the planet faster and yet is often overlooked when it comes to climate solutions. I'm talking here about methane. Methane is the climate threat we can't afford to ignore, but we often do. It only makes up 20% of greenhouse gas emissions, but it's also responsible for about 30% of today's global warming, with emissions coming heavily from sectors like oil and gas, agriculture and waste. So, an overlooked market opportunity that can solve a huge portion of the climate crisis sounds like a major place for innovation. Enter Windfall Bio and Louis Stenmark. Windfall is harnessing the power of methane-eating microbes to capture this potent gas and transform it into organic, nutrient-rich fertilizer. It's an approach that not only cuts emissions, but turns literal waste into value, creating an incredible opportunity for impact. And this approach is timely. In 2021, over 100 countries signed the Global Methane Pledge at COP26. They committed to cut methane emissions by at least 30% by 2030. Windfall's investors recognize this potential, with nearly $40 million in funding from supporters like Bill Gates' Breakthrough Energy Ventures and Amazon's Climate Pledge Fund. They're pioneering a methane solution that's both environmentally powerful and financially strategic.
Methane is only a wasted gas if it's not being put to use, and it inherently has energy within it, unlike CO2, so we don't have to add anything to it. Methane has that value, it's just about extracting it.
By turning overlooked waste into a valuable product, Louis and Windfall Bio are transforming a major climate threat into a profitable, sustainable business. Interested to lean into Windfall Bio's success? Tune into this week's Climatalist episode and don't forget to subscribe to our channels.